Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the questions of periodic test 1. Okay. I hope you all have you have seen your marks, and you can see where you have done the mistakes. You can find it out what you have marked, or you can find out where you have what is the correct answer. Okay. Now one by one we are going to discuss the questions. The first one is question was the place value of the digit 8 in 863415 is. Okay, in this you start see the ones place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 8 is in which period? It is in lakh period, so place value will be 8 lakh. Okay, next question is 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. 1 crore is equal to dash millions. Okay, options are 100, 1, 10 and 1000. Okay, you can see, you can make in your copy you can make ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, then lakh and 10 lakh and crore, है ना? And below you write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000 and then million. Okay, a million and 10 million, and when you will compare both of it, you will find that 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now next, identify the number name. Okay, you see, since the commas are being placed after before every three digits, so what we are going to do is, you just see, that means the number name is in international system. Okay, so just find it out. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So the question will be, the answer will be 123,008,603. Okay, so out of these four options, which option is correct? The third option is correct. Now next, observe the following. 6 crore 73 lakh 89,145, and here it is 67 crore 38 lakh 91,450. Naturally here it is 67 crore and here it is 6 crore. So which come? The symbol will be less than. Okay, this is the answer. Next, standard form of this one, 7 lakh plus 80 plus 2. Okay, you can find this is 7 lakh, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 7 lakh plus 80 plus 2. So when we have to write in short form, 7 lakh is there, then thousands place, 10,000 place no value is there, then thousand place no value is there, then hundreds also no value is there. So which option is correct? If you add these three, what we will be getting? We will be getting 700,082. Okay, now next question, what is the difference between the place value and face value of 5 in 91,25,678? That means difference you have to find. Difference means we have to find the minus between the place value and the place value of 5. Place value of 5 is 5,000 and face value of 5 is the number itself. Now if you subtract 5,000 minus 5, what answer it will be? It will be 4995. Okay, next, the greatest and the smallest number with the given 5 digits 20539 without repeating any digit is. Okay, now the given digits are 2 comma 0 comma 5 comma 3 comma 9, and we have to find the greatest 5 digit number and the smallest 5 digit number. Clearly the greatest digit will be 95320 and the smallest digit will be, since 0 is always placed in the second place, so it will be 20359. So out of the options, second option is correct. That means 95320 is the greatest number and 20359 is the smallest number. Okay, next, what must be added to 79 lakh 62,360 to make it equal to 80 lakh? See the question, what must be added to? That means you don't have to add, you have to find which number is to be added to 79 lakh 62,360 to make it equal to 80 80 lakh. So what we have, we have subtract 80 lakh minus 79 lakh 62,360, and which answer we will get? Yes, the correct answer is the 37640. When we subtract, we found that the correct answer is 37640. Okay. Yes, the next question is find the sum of the greatest 8-digit number and the smallest 9-digit number. Okay. Now the greatest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999, and the smallest 9-digit number is 10 crore. It is 10 crore, and when we add it, sum we have to find. So what we would be getting? We would be getting 19 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, so the B option is correct. Now next question is 60 lakh 84 no, 60 crore 84 lakh 39,676 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. See, we know that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So which option is correct here? The third option, that is 0. Now the next question. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 44 lakh 34,894. If one of the numbers is 9 lakh 84,000 9 lakh 8,400, that means actually the commas are being placed here wrongly. That's why the children got confused. It should be it will be 98,434. That's why the children got confused. The commas are being placed wrongly here. So you have to find the number. You don't get confused by the commas being placed. Okay. Now the sum of two numbers is given 44 lakh 34,894, and one of the number is 98,434. Find the other. Okay, so the correct option, when we subtract these two, the correct option we got is 43 lakh 36,460. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now the next one. 4 into 156 into 25, find by suitable grouping. Okay, this question we have to do. What we are going to do is, we have already done. Find by suitable grouping means first we will multiply 4 into 25. We will form the group of 4 into 25 and then multiply it by 156. When we multiply 4 into 25, we will get 100, and if we multiply 156 to it, it will be 15600. This is the correct answer. Okay, next 9,000 multiplied by dash is equal to 90 lakh. So here see 9,000, three zeros are there, and here when we found how many zeros are there, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. That means by which number it will be multiplied? It will be multiplied by 100 or 10 or 1000 or 10,000. Yes, the correct option is 1000. When we multiply 9,000 into 1000, we will get 90 lakh. Okay, now the next question. The remainder left when 42,734 divided by 6,000 is equal to. Okay, now when we will divide 6,000, we are knowing 6 sevens are is 42. So what it will be again? 6,000 into 7, it will be 42,000. And what will be the remainder left? The remainder left will be 734. Okay, the correct order to apply operations is, it's given addition, division, multiplication, subtraction, division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. We have learned which one is the correct. When we in a numerical expression, the correct order is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, DMAS. Okay, now the next question, it's we have to apply DMAS rule here. Solve 9 plus 1 into 9 divided by 1. Okay, now here how we are going to solve is, first we will do division. 9 divided by 1, it will be 9. Okay, after that we will perform multiplication. 1 into 9 will be equals to 9. So we will get 9 here. So 9 plus 9 becomes 18. So correct answer is 18. Now the next question. 593,245 minus 1000. Okay, 1000, when we will subtract, what we are getting? We would be getting 592,245. So the B option is correct. Next question is minuend minus difference. Now these terms are related to subtraction only. Minuend, difference and subtrahend. Okay, the number to be subtracted is called as the minuend. The number by which we subtract, okay, is called as subtrahend, and the result of subtraction is called the difference. So naturally minuend minus difference is equal to subtrahend. This is the correct option. Next question is, yes, solve 87,000 plus 87,400 plus 25,604 minus 1 lakh 10,518. So what we are going to do is, first we are going to add 87,400 plus 25,604, and then whatever answer we would be getting, we will subtract it from 1 lakh 10,518, and which answer we would be getting? What we would be getting? 2486. This is the correct option. Okay, first we will add these two, the first two terms, and then we will subtract 1 lakh 10,518 to 8. Next is 20th question is, solve 14 plus 5 minus 22 minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, here what we are going to do is 14, first we have to operate the ones which are inside the bracket. So 14 plus 5 is 19, and 22 minus 6 is 16 divided by 2. So 22 minus 6 means, that means 16 divided by 2, then we will perform the division, so it becomes 8, and 19 minus 8, what answer it will be? The answer will be 11. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Now all the questions we have discussed, okay, try it on your own also. Okay children, and if you are having any doubt, you can message me and ask.